Welcome to part 2 of our Oslo walking tour. In this episode, we explore Aker Brygge during a beautiful dusk evening where the city lights begin to shimmer over the harbor. You'll see a blend of modern waterfront architecture, historic landmarks, and lively nightlife areas. Filmed with the Insta360 Go Ultra and the DJI Pocket 3, this walk captures both immersive motion and cinematic detail. Join me as we stroll along one of Oslo's most vibrant waterfront districts. Aker Brygge glows softly in the evening light, creating a warm, lively atmosphere by the harbor. The area is known for its mix of modern steel glass and brick buildings, giving it a unique character that blends history with new design. The Oslo City Hall stands proudly nearby, its red brick towers rising above the waterfront as a symbol of the city. Close to it sits the Nobel Peace Center, where stories of global peace and human courage are shared with visitors. The National Museum adds its calm presence, holding treasures of Norwegian art and culture. Along the harbor, fancy restaurants open their terraces, filling the air with soft music and the smell of fresh dishes. A short walk away, the Astrup Fearnley Museum leans toward the water, its wooden curves and glass panels making it one of the most striking buildings in the city. Aker Brygge was once an old shipyard transformed over the years into this vibrant waterfront, where people gather to relax, explore, and enjoy the beauty of Oslo at dusk. Walking along the road of Aker Brygge feels peaceful as the evening sets in, and the harbor reflects soft golden light. People stroll slowly by the water, chatting, laughing, and enjoying the calm breeze that comes from the fjord. The path is wide open with boats resting quietly along the piers and lights shimmering on the gentle waves. As you walk further, the historic shape of Akershus Castle appears across the water, rising above the hill with quiet strength. Its walls carry centuries of stories, and its towers catch the last colors of the day. The view from Aker Brygge toward the castle feels timeless, connecting the modern waterfront to Oslo's deep past. Shops, restaurants, and small cafes glow warmly, while the sky turns deep blue. The entire scene invites you to slow down, breathe, and enjoy the beauty of Oslo as night begins to settle over the harbor. Thank you for joining this dusk walk through Aker Brygge. If you enjoyed the journey, remember to like, share, and support ShutterbuginNorway for more adventures. The Insta360 Go Ultra and DJI Pocket 3 helped capture every smooth, detailed moment. Stay with me for the next part of the Oslo walking tour. More beautiful paths and night views coming soon.